There are four main classes of hydrocarbons. And remember what a hydrocarbon is. It's simply a compound that consists only of carbons and hydrogens. The first class of hydrocarbon is known as an alkane. All this really means is that all of the bonds are single bonds. Now, there's something also known as a cycloalkene. You're going to notice a pattern here. So that prefix of cyclo just refers to it being a cyclic ring. So in this case, these are just different examples here, that we have several different types of cyclic rings, but note that everything is single bonded. All the carbons are single bonded to each other. Next, there are different types of carbon chain prefixes. We will go over this a lot further when we're naming different alkanes, but just get familiar with all these different prefixes now. So all this is referring to is, let's say in this case, a prefix of meth, and you'll see methane. Well, this is referring to just there being one carbon in the carbon chain. And then this continues.